Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, and welcome to our simple guide on preparing delicious Yogabar Muesli. This wholesome breakfast option is a fantastic way to kickstart your day, packed with nutrients and incredibly easy to customize. Whether you're seeking a quick bite before work or a leisurely meal, knowing a few simple preparation methods can truly elevate your breakfast experience. Let's dive in and discover how to make your perfect bowl. Starting with a classic, the cold preparation method is incredibly simple. Just scoop your desired amount of Yogabar Muesli into a bowl, then pour in your favorite cold milk, dairy or non-dairy, or a dollop of creamy yogurt. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for just a couple of minutes to absorb some liquid. It's truly an effortless and refreshing breakfast, ideal for when you're short on time. For those cooler mornings, or if you simply prefer a comforting, warm meal, hot muesli is the way to go. Just add your Yogabar Muesli to a saucepan with hot milk or water, using a ratio of about 1 part muesli to 2 parts liquid. Stir it gently over low heat for 1 to 2 minutes, until it reaches a soft, porridge-like consistency. This method offers a wonderfully cozy and satisfying start to your day. Now, let's explore ways to personalize your muesli bowl. Fresh fruits, like a handful of berries or a sliced banana, add natural sweetness and a burst of flavor. For extra texture and healthy fats, sprinkle in some chopped nuts like almonds or a dash of chia seeds. If you prefer a bit more sweetness, a small drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar can truly perfect your delicious Yogabar Muesli. Experiment to find your favorite combinations. For ultimate convenience, consider preparing your muesli as overnight oats. Simply combine it with milk or yogurt in a jar the night before, and it will be perfectly ready to enjoy straight from the fridge in the morning. Always store any unused Yogabar Muesli in a cool, dry place, sealed tightly in an airtight container to maintain its crispness and flavor. With these simple tips, you're all set to enjoy delicious, healthy muesli anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.